Most travelers think the hard part is over once the ticket's booked and the suitcase is zipped. But that's exactly when the most expensive mistakes happen. Not in the air, before you ever reach the gate. Even seasoned flyers make small, innocent choices at the airport that quietly trigger missed flights, surprise fees, security delays, and trips that go off the rails before they even begin. Airports don't warn you. Airlines don't mention it. And by the time most travelers realize what went wrong, it's already too late to fix. In this video, we're breaking down the most common pre-flight airport mistakes, the ones almost everyone makes, and exactly how to avoid them. Because when it comes to flying, what you don't know can absolutely cost you. Let's dive in. Number 1. The tiny bag trap. Small pouches, crossbody bags, and slim sling bags feel like the perfect solution for travel essentials. Your passport, wallet, phone, and boarding pass are right there. Easy to reach and close to your body. But this habit causes more travel emergencies than most people realize. Tiny bags are incredibly easy to forget. Travelers set them down on cafe chairs, restroom hooks, charging stations, or security trays without noticing. Unlike a backpack or rolling carry-on, the absence of a small bag doesn't immediately register. They're also a prime target for theft. Pickpockets prefer small bags because they're quick to grab and easy to conceal. Losing a pouch with your passport or credit cards can instantly derail your entire trip. A safer approach is keeping critical documents inside a zippered compartment of a larger bag that stays on your body at all times. One consolidated bag creates fewer points of failure and significantly reduces the risk of a pre-flight disaster. Number 2. Skipping online check-in. Some travelers postpone check-in, assuming they'll handle it at the airport. While this might seem harmless, it can quietly put your seat at risk. Many flights are oversold. When more passengers arrive than seats available, airlines prioritize those who checked in earlier. Late check-ins are often the first to be reassigned or bumped. Online check-in also offers practical advantages. It confirms your presence in the system, improves seat selection, and often grants earlier boarding groups. If you're traveling with carry-on luggage only, it can even allow you to skip the counter entirely. Waiting until the last minute may feel convenient, until you're told your seat is no longer guaranteed. Early check-in is a simple step that protects your place on the plane. Number 3. Overweight luggage surprises. Few moments at the airport are more stressful than watching your suitcase tip the scale just past the weight limit. That extra pound often leads to a difficult choice. Pay a hefty fee or unpack your belongings in full view of other passengers. What makes this worse is that most overweight bags aren't caused by essentials. They're caused by preventable packing habits. Full-size toiletries, multiple pairs of shoes, and just in case, items add up quickly. Often, the overweight fee costs more than replacing those items at your destination. Weigh your luggage at home. Use travel-sized products. Be intentional about what you bring. Packing smarter, not heavier, can save you hundreds of dollars and spare you a very public repacking session. Number 4. Ignoring seat maps. Many passengers accept their assigned seat without giving a second thought. Unfortunately, not all airplane seats are created equal. Some seats don't recline. Others sit directly beside restrooms, galleys, or high-traffic aisles. Some window seats don't actually have a window. These details aren't always obvious during booking, but they're rarely hidden. Public seat maps reveal which seats have limited legroom, missing windows, restricted recline, or constant foot traffic. A few minutes of research can dramatically improve your flight experience. Never assume your assigned seat is a good one. A small check before confirming can save hours of discomfort, especially on long flights. Number 5. The plastic-wrapped luggage mistake. Wrapping a suitcase in plastic looks like added protection, but in practice, it often causes more trouble than it's worth. If security needs to inspect your bag, the wrap must be cut open. If you need to access something mid-journey, the process becomes messy and inconvenient. Wrapped bags also slow down inspections and frustrate airport staff. On top of that, plastic wrap offers limited rail security. A durable suitcase, TSA-approved lock, or reusable fabric cover provides better protection without the added complications. Sometimes what feels like extra safety actually creates extra problems. Number 6. Choosing the wrong security line. When travelers reach security, most instinctively join the first visible line. In many cases, it's the longest one. Less obvious checkpoints, often farther down the terminal, are frequently faster and less crowded. Airports don't advertise this, but experienced travelers know to scan the area before committing. Take a moment to observe. Look at how quickly lines are moving. Walk a little farther if needed. That small effort can save a surprising amount of time. Following the crowd rarely leads to the fastest result. Number 7. Forgetting the liquid rule. The liquid rule is one of the most misunderstood airport policies, and it still trips people up every day. The critical detail many travelers miss is this. Container size matters more than the amount of liquid inside. Even a half-empty bottle will be confiscated if the container exceeds the allowed size. Security officers can't measure what's inside. If a container looks too large, it's gone. Use travel-size containers. Place them in a clear, resealable bag. Keep that bag accessible. This simple preparation prevents delays, confiscations, and unnecessary frustration. Number 8. Getting lost in duty-free. Duty-free shopping feels harmless, but it's carefully designed to distract you. The layouts are winding. Clocks are rare. Displays are endless. Time passes quickly, and boarding announcements are easy to miss. Passengers regularly miss flights while browsing just minutes from their gate. Airlines do not wait for shoppers. If you plan to browse, do it quickly. Set an alarm. Know your gate number before entering. No souvenir is worth a rebooking fee or misconnection. Number 9. Eating the wrong food before flying. What you eat before flying matters more than most people realize. At cruising altitude, cabin pressure changes cause gas in the body to expand. Heavy, spicy, or unfamiliar foods can lead to bloating, nausea, and serious discomfort, especially during long flights. This isn't the time to experiment with rich meals or new cuisines. Stick to light, familiar foods that digest easily. Your stomach will thank you, and you'll arrive feeling far more comfortable. Number 10. Booking flights at the wrong time. Flight timing plays a major role in how smoothly your trip goes. Delays compound throughout the day. A late morning flight affects the afternoon, which impacts the evening. That's why afternoon departures are statistically more prone to disruptions. Early morning and late night flights tend to be more punctual. Cooler air also means smoother conditions and less turbulence. If reliability matters, choose your departure time wisely. Number 11. Ignoring airport germ hotspots. Airports may look clean, but some surfaces are among the most contaminated public spaces. Security trays, tray tables, armrests, and seat back pockets are touched by hundreds of travelers daily, and cleaned far less often than people assume. Studies have shown some of these surfaces carry more bacteria than restrooms. Carrying disinfectant wipes or hand sanitizer allows you to quickly clean high-touch areas. It's a small habit that can protect your health for the entire trip. Number 12. Doing nothing about jet lag. Jet lag affects nearly everyone who crosses time zones, yet few travelers prepare for it. Sudden schedule changes confuse your internal clock, leading to fatigue, poor sleep, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. But preparation can significantly reduce its impact. Adjust your watch before departure. Stay hydrated. Plan sleep strategically. Limit alcohol, which disrupts rest even further. Jet lag isn't unavoidable. It's manageable when approached intentionally. Flying doesn't have to be stressful. Most airport disasters aren't caused by bad luck. They're caused by small, preventable mistakes made before takeoff. By avoiding these 12 common errors, you can save money, protect your time, and start your trip calmly instead of rushed and frustrated. Travel doesn't begin at the gate. It begins with the choices you make before you ever leave home. If this video was helpful, share it with someone who's flying soon. It might save them from learning these lessons the hard way. And now I want to hear from you. Which part of this video resonated with you the most? Or have you ever experienced one of these airport mistakes yourself? Leave a comment below and share your story. Safe travels. and we'll see you in the next one.